This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Plug the Chromecast into the TV HDMI and connect USB power so it boots. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input and unlock your phone. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you want Chromecast to use, because devices must share network for casting. Install Google Home and Airtel Xstream and sign in. Google Home discovers devices and Airtel Xstream provides the media source. These pieces link the hardware to your content. Open Google Home and choose Add, then set up device. Follow pairing prompts and grant location plus Bluetooth if asked so the app can find the Chromecast. Connect the Chromecast to your Wi-Fi and confirm the code displayed on TV matches the phone. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. Once Chromecast is online, open the Airtel Xstream app, allow local network discovery, and pick the Chromecast from the cast menu. Doing this links your account to the player so you can stream reliably. Begin casting. Open a show in Airtel Xstream, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. Playback starts on TV while your phone becomes the remote. You can pause, seek, adjust volume, or use Google Assistant voice commands for hands-free control. Use screencast when an app lacks native support. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast, router, and phone, check you're on the correct Wi-Fi band, and if needed, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast. That usually clears persistent pairing or network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.